certainly is the right decision. I mean, this got off on the wrong foot, and that's unfortunate because it left a much more of a story, but even more of a crisis. When it began, when some of the administration leaked the story that the speaker was going to make an unscheduled, unannounced stop in Taiwan, similar to how senior officials are going to Iraq, Afghanistan, and even Ukraine, unannounced and likely unscheduled in terms of public notification. So that made the story much larger. And then secondly, when the president intervened and sort of threw water on this by saying, well, the military doesn't seem
What's up,
to be
viewers?
the right thing to do.
This episode goes out to those who have signed up for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all those who have goals for receiving the most viewers, the most followers. Tonight we're gonna draw a treater. Treater's mostly quiet. However, he's big on when it comes to well, let's just say it involves let's just say when it involves subscribers, followers, and viewers. That kind of stuff. Alright, so here's his iPhone. Here's his tree. On Yokai Watch 3, this is the first ever yokai friends you can receive. And finished. That's how you draw a treater. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. I bet he's gonna text about how great New York City is. How great the American Museum of Natural History is. We'll find out soon.